For day number 903. Welcome today. Yes, it's war day number 903. 903 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Welcome today. Today on Wednesday, August the 14th, 2024. We have here 3 regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the binary. We have also an additional with extra puzzles in today's newspaper. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. We have here the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle in this additional is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now but in the evening. The first one, yeah, 3 stars Sudoku. 3 stars Sudoku number 9088. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot. 27. Well, usually the 3 stars has 25. This one has 2 digits more. Should be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is this a 3 stars or 1 star puzzle? We don't know. We will see, so let's get started. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next, so that column now only 2 places level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Then let me see. We have an 8 here. 3 there. Come on. We have a pair. The 1 and a 3 in this row. The 1 and a 3. Oh, no. We already have the 3s here. Yeah. How about, come on, 6 in this column, last column, 6 in the column next, so that column, the only place level 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below, so last row, the only place level 6 should be there. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, need a 6 there, need a 6 here. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above, so that row, the only place level 1 should be there. 4 missing numbers. Wait. 5. No. Need a 9 here, okay. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 in those 3 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. And 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. So no 5 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. 5 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 4 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 3 missing numbers in last column. The 9 we have here. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 here, so this should be a 3. We have a 3 here, so this should be a 2. So the 2 and 3. Okay. How about these 3 missing numbers in this column? Oh wait. We have a 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So the third row, the only place level 4, A should be there. 4, 4. No 7 here. 7, 7. 7, 4, and I need a 3. 3, 3 here. We have a pair. A 3 and a 4 in this column. the 3 in one of these 3 boxes, and the 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. So the column between the only 2 places left of the 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 7. 7 in this column, 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. So the column between the only place left of the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then let me see. Need 8 there. Need 8 here. And I need, well. 9, need a 5 here. 8. Can be 8. Yeah, in this column we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this column is a number 8. Here can be an 8, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here can be an 8, we have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. Here can be an 8, we have 8 in the third row, no 8 there. So the only place left with 8 should be there. 3, 3, okay. Alright. 1. Come on. Need a 9 here. 1, 2, 3. Need a 4. 4. I need a 7. 4, 7, and the 6. Can be 6. 6. Yeah. I'm thinking. 4, 7, and the 2. Need a 2 here. I need a 2 there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the third column, so the column between the second column. Only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the middle row. No 2 there. 2 should be there. 2. 7, 9, need a 9 there. Alright. Need a 4 here. 4 there. I'm thinking. Come on. Six. Come on. 8. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. Need 8 here. 7, 4, 9, 5. Let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 2, 5, 7, 8. One of the missing number is an 8. We have an 8 in this row, no 8, middle row, no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. So we have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, 8 in the third column. Oh, apologies. So the column between the second column, the only place left with 8 should be there then. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 7 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with the 4. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left with 7 should be there. 1 box left now in the third column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. 6. 8, need a 3, need a 1. That means, wait, 2 numbers left in the second column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. Another pair in this big square. The numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6 cannot fill this yet. Alright, then need a 6 there. How about these? 1, 3, and then 9. These 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and the 7. 2 and the 7. 9, 5, 7, 4. We have a 7 now, so this can be a 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 4. So 2 numbers left, the 9 and the 5. 4 need a 4 here. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, so 4 could be here, could be there. Well. No one here, no one here. 1, 1, 1. No one here, no 1, 1, 1. How about a 6 then? No 6, no 6, need a 6 there. Need a 6 here. 3, 1, and the 8. 3, 1, and the 9. 1 and a 5. 2, 9 and a 3. Wait. 2, 9 and a 3. We have a 2 and a 3 here, so this box should be a 9 then. This 2 boxes should be 2 and a 3. We have a 3 now in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Alright, now we're talking. 2 in this row, 2 in the third row, so the row between the only 2 places level 2 could be here, could be there. Here we have a 2, here we have a 2. That means in this column the 2 should be in one of these 3 boxes. Alright, we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. The only place level 2 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the 5, we have a 6 now in the third row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left now in the third row for number 1, the 2, the 3, 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Alright, and now, yeah, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 8. We have an 8 now in this row, so no 8 there, 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 box left now in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. Alright, and now, no 5 here. 5 should be there. 8 should be here. 8. 8. And do we have all the 6s? Well, 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be here. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. 9 and 5, we have a 9 now in the last row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 9 or a 5, we have a 9 here, so this box should be a 5. 1 box left now in this big square for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. The 8 in this column, the 8 in that column, so the column between the middle column, no need to place 11, 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the second row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Then 1 and 7 is missing. Well, let me think. 1, 7 and the 4. We have 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next only place level 4. A should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 7 goes there. 2 and 7, we have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes with the 2. We have a 2 in the middle column, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. Here we have a 1 and a 5 missing in this row. 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes and there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 5, and final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Well. Not faster than 15 minutes. Not pleased, but we saw it again. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 20, not faster than 50 minutes, otherwise it will be 1 star. Let me give this a 2 stars. If I'm, if this puzzle is more than 20 minutes, then it will be 3 stars. Yeah, 20 to 30 minutes. Well, we saw it again, and I like this one, so you do the fix. So thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.